Hi everyone. I'm here in outside. We're going to the Spanish Fort. Hi Maisey. So my husband is driving, so I'm the passenger now. My baby's in the passenger area too. Say hi. Oh, you're so pretty, my love. My husband is there. Look, handsome. He's very handsome guy. I'm so lucky to marry him. He's very good guy. So now the weather is raining. It's so heavy rain. It's good for take a nap this afternoon, but now it's around, what is the time now? 1 o'clock? Huh? 1:30? So now the time is 1:30 in the afternoon here, but very heavy rain. This is the road to go, but it's raining. So very heavy rain, but it's good, not many cars to pass by, not a traffic. This road is called expressway, so you can driving like 55 or 60 speed limit. So it's easy to driving very fast than the traffic. Oh my god, how heavy the rain. So we have a lot of cars, the incoming car, but when we outgoing car, not many cars to outgoing. Maisey is here. Why are you hiding? Come, my love. Don't hiding. I'm not hiding. Yeah, you're so pretty, girl. You're so pretty, my love. Hi. This is the one. pretty, the view. So pretty here. Hi guys, papunta ako ng taas ng shop. Tignan nyo ang laki. Tignan yung lugar dito, oh. Ang ganda niya. Hinahanap ko yung size ng bots ko. Papalitan ko kasi medyo malaki siya sa akin. Yung binigay ng Christmas gifts sa biyanan ko. Papalitan namin ngayon dito ng mister ko. So pretty.
I need to brush it today. I need to brush it today. You got too much off. You got too much hair. You got too much hair.
She's bad smell?
Brush.
Oh,
bad smell.
Maisey, your bad smell.
You bad smell. You bad smell. You bad smell.
She want to play daddy. She wants a wrestling daddy. You need to wash your pot and shampoo daddy. How sweet Maisey you are to daddy. She want to cuddle and playing to wrestling to daddy. She won't like that bed. You're the mobbing. Oh my god. You love wrestling daddy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, my laundry. Dirty. Hi guys, dito na kami sa bahay. Kauwi lang namin. 1 hour yung driving, 1 hour din yung balik dito. So yung boats na dinala ko doon kasi maluwag sa akin, so pinalitan siya, pero hindi namin nadala ngayon. I-deliver na lang daw ng online. So they said bago mag 3 days daw i-deliver dito sa bahay kasi yung boat size 8 siya, so malaki pa kasi sa akin, so yung order ko lang size 6. So thank you guys for watching and please subscribe. Have a good day.